This is CS Siddesh or Apik the Money Value. In today's video, we are going to uh, talk about the futuristic business ideas, the startup ideas. So let's start with today's topic. This pandemic, we are facing a lot of challenges. The main our business, the way the style of doing business has been changed tremendously. So I thought why not we should come with such future startup business ideas and this article dedicate to such future startup ideas. So without any wait, let's start it. Future startup business idea for 2020. Why I thought doing a vlog for this, or why I thought writing an article is really important, because I seen the style of doing business has changed since last 3 months due to the pandemic. A lot of business, the way earlier it conducting, it completely changed. A lot of things has newly introduced, and also with some of border tension, a lot of new things, new avenues has been opened up due to the border tension, financial crisis, and all that. So without wasting any time, just let's go ahead and check out our first business idea. Our first business idea, we are going to talk about the app-based future business ideas. So when I say app-based future business ideas, it's maybe the taxi booking app, or you can say ordering food. In fact, now government of India has banned almost more than 200 apps. So there is a lot of tremendous there is a lot of scope for a gaming or creating a app which is banned by the government of India. I mean, the creating a replica of a banned app. I mean, see, the recent example is a TikTok. When TikTok banned, the other competitor, Chingari or someone share it, or something else has been, the download has been zoomed up. So you can look for that. You also have a the calling based app like a Zoom. Uh, so if you're really a technical nerd who understand the coding and all that, you should really look for some unique ideas in app based business. It may be the gaming app. You can go for a education. Right now education is online, uh, and the problem is happening, a lot of student doesn't have the access. So what you can base, you can work on that point. So first you have to find out the challenge what is faced by the community, and based on that challenges you can search for an idea. मराठी में ऐसा बोला जाता है कि गरज ही शोधाची जननी आहे. You can definitely look for a app-based future startup business ideas. As I said, ordering food, booking, education. There is a lot of things you can do in there. The second is a virtual reality accessory. This is really interesting. I was recently I was looking on property, and the visit has been stopped at that property because of the COVID. So they come with an idea of virtual visit, where they walk us through with all the properties virtually, and it was really awesome. You just need to connect with your computer, and they walk through the room, bedroom, and how it looks. So that one thing which really stuck in my mind, and I thought, yeah, why not? So this is one of a segment, your virtual reality, and the one real estate I just gave you the example. But there is also a lot of things you can do. It's like a gaming. The you can look for the virtual reality bar cafe. In Pune there is one gaming zone, which is a virtual reality gaming zone, and we recently had a party over there. So that is also the one good idea. Or, or in fact, recently I saw yoga training using VR set-top box. Set-top box. I mean, the person is. It was a recorded session. You just need to have that VR set on your eyes and go ahead. Of course, watching TV, watching videos is the one thing, but this reality. This VR virtual reality space is mind blowing, and one should definitely try for this. Third one is important is artificial intelligence. Uh, anyway, we all know that how much big work is going on in AI phase. So if you have any knowledge related to the AI, one should definitely try for this. It may be the AI-based calendar meeting organization, AI managed stock forecasting. Of course, again, stock forecasting is not easy, but you can definitely try. AI apps, personal virtual assistant, case law, or opening on legal cases. In fact, I know that in a IBM or somewhere they are using this legal AI-based help, and it is. It is a big change in their working style. So I know that in IBM or in IBM they are using this AI based thing. It gives you quick result, and also rather than it gives, you just need to put a query and it gives you the thousands of answers, the case laws, and that's awesome. I mean, it is one step ahead than Google. In Google you get only related queries, related answer, but in this AI, you actually get the judgment, and that AI it himself come with the probabilities and all the things. So that one is AI is a really big segment in coming years. The fourth is robotic automation with artificial intelligence. Robotic or automation is not new idea for startup, but it you mix with artificial intelligence, robotic automation, you can create something new and unique. uh, even you don't want to go for AI as of now, but creating robotic help for a day-to-day task will be good idea, like home cleaning development, customized work, a prototype, etc. I know that MIE or some other companies that had the home cleaning robot. You have to just let that robot in your house, and it automatically clean your house. You have to it is app based control. वो ऑटोमेटिकली आपके रूम का, आपके घर का नक्शा अपने दिमाग में उसकी चिप में बिठा लेता है, and it automatically clean all your home. Of course it is a little bit time consuming, but yeah, it is something is going on, so why not. Next is a drone based future innovation. Again, drone is in India is very restricted usage. You have to take a lot of permission and all that. But yeah, you can definitely try for a photography, security, survey, intelligence, drone sales, repair and maintenance. So that one is there. The next is really important is the smartwatch or smart wearable business idea. Smartwatch, I mean Apple, Samsung, they all are dominating. But recently, I heard there is a wearable watch which actually detect the COVID-19 patient. The company got really big funding, and that's one is unique idea. I mean, the COVID is problem for all, but few some of them it's opportunity as well. So why not you look something like that? Also the repair and maintenance of those smart products, selling smart wearable products, repair and maintenance, wearable app development, R&D. That is one. The seventh and important is the 3D printing technology based startup idea. Again, 3D printing is a little bit new in terms of the accuracy and acceptance right now is going a huge. I saw somewhere in Netherlands, they in fact build entire house using a 3D printing, a house as well as a bridge. So why not, we should try for that. Accuracy with the 3D printing is very perfect. So 3D printing, creating a prototype for a showcase business is a good idea. Right now we are not going at that larger scale, but creating small prototype for a business. When you construct a building, the prototype is created. uh, so you can definitely look for that kind of idea. So scanning 3D, creating 3D images, 3D bridge, house creation, that's what I was talking about. Yeah, so see, it is a startup phase. A company in Amsterdam, France already did work, and now the testing is on. So it is really awesome. It is like a printing a home the way you like it. In fact, Adidas created a different 3D printing project, and it has been already working on sneakers made by the plastic founded in ocean. The next thing is eight other IoT future innovation startup business ideas. IoT is a Internet of Thing. Typo error. I would definitely change. The Internet of Things is a physically connected device, vehicles, home appliances, sensor data exchange for taking, talking a meaning a decision. There are plenty of upcoming business startups with IoT. Few of them are consultancy, selling of IoT devices, networking, etc. Ninth and important is a virtual 3D or 4D technology based future innovative system ideas. Virtual 3D or virtual reality again means a technology create a stimulated environment in a 3D. It's like a gaming. It's like a gaming and other project. You have to wear that on your face, that VR box, and then you get the reality, sense, and you can have game playing the game and all that. So virtual, in fact, the virtual 3D virtual tour program, that is also one of the very nice thing. Actually, I recently had uh, saw. I think I saw the Taj Mahal or something with the 3D tour program. I don't remember, but that was really awesome. I mean, I have a VR box, and there are a lot of sites which give you that videos of reality, the virtual reality videos, the gaming and all that. So I saw that Taj Mahal inside. It was really, I mean, you really feel that you are in the inside of the Taj Mahal, and that is really awesome, guys. The virtual 3D gaming, selling a virtual 3D equipment, that is also one of the best area. Conclusion. I think, yeah, basically it is just a small list. You can little do research and check with other opportunities. So what you're waiting for? Surpass the barriers of money and start moving towards your position and dreams. Yay! So if you have money, which business idea you prefer and why? Please comment in. So if you have any idea, please comment in box. If you think I'm missing something, you can always comment in comment box.